In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate passphrases in Bitwarden. Passphrases are long, multi-word phrases that are easy to remember but hard to crack. Bitwarden has a built-in generator that creates strong, customizable passphrases in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it from the Web Vault. Start by opening the Bitwarden Web Vault in your browser. Once you're looking at your vault, find the navigation on the left and click Tools. Tools is where Bitwarden keeps helpful utilities, including the generator we need. Next, choose Generator. This opens the generator page, which can create either random passwords or passphrases. For this walkthrough, switch to the passphrase option so the tool focuses on stringing words together. Now let's look at the options. These settings shape exactly how your passphrase will look and how strong it will be. You'll see controls for the number of words, the character used between words, and toggles to capitalize words and include numbers. Adjust the number of words to your preference. More words mean more entropy and stronger security while still staying memorable. A minimum of 4 is common, but 6 or more significantly boost strength if you can handle the length. Choose a word separator that suits where you'll use the passphrase. Hyphens and underscores work almost everywhere and are easy to type. A space keeps things readable, but some sites don't allow spaces. The separator doesn't add much security by itself. Pick what balances readability and compatibility. Turn on capitalize if you want each word to start with an uppercase letter. This can help meet complexity rules without hurting memorability. If a site requires mixed case, this switch is an easy win. Turn on include number to sprinkle digits into the phrase. Some services require numbers, and adding them here keeps everything consistent and still human-friendly. If you don't need numbers, you can leave it off. When you're ready, click Generate Passphrases to create one. If you want another option, click it again until you see something you like and that fits the rules of the site you're using. Finally, click the copy icon to place the generated passphrase on your clipboard. Use it right away where you need it and avoid pasting it into places that store history, like chat apps or shared documents. That's it. You've customized and generated a strong passphrase in Bitwarden quickly and safely.